Hi, this is Dr. Kim, America's Holistic Foot Doctor. In this video, you meet my patient who had an ingrown nail taken out by her friend's mom at her house, which did not go well 6 months ago. Then her nail was stepped on while dancing at her formal last weekend, then got stepped on again 2 days ago by her boyfriend. Well, she's in tremendous amount of pain at this time and very scared about what's about to happen. Let's get right into the video. Okay, now we have Ava here. Ava, how are you?
I'm okay.
Your toe's not though, huh? Okay. So I know you're telling me what happened to this toe. It's infected and it's quite ingrown. So you gave me two different situations. How this got really bad like this, right? So tell me.
So I got stepped on at my formal.
You were dancing, right?
Yeah.
Looking really pretty, right?
Yeah.
Looking good, right?
And then I got stepped on again by my boyfriend.
By your boyfriend, right? He's no little guy.
No.
He stepped on it and got it all infected, and then you were telling me about your bad experience you had last summer, right? You had this taken out, and then that was bad experience, huh?
Yeah.
So what happened there?
Well, I got it, like, they tried to fix it. My friend's mom tried to fix it at her house.
And it didn't go well, huh?
No, it didn't.
So it's been kind of on and off, kind of bad.
Yeah, since.
And then now a series of bad events happen, all right?
Yeah.
And then you finally came to me, though, right? That's a good event, right? Isn't it?
Good event.
So far.
Yeah.
So far, no pain, right?
No, I can't feel anything.
See? So you all like worried about it for nothing, huh?
Yeah.
I know you were traumatized by the other provider, and then at your formal and your boyfriend. So this toe's gone through a lot of betrayal. I should call this the betrayed toe.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I think
That's appropriate?
Yeah.
Yeah, but it was not intentional. Hi, it's me again. Hope you've been enjoying this video so far. If you have, leave the word betrayal in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. None of it was intentional, right?
No.
They all want to try to do good for you, but it didn't happen. So finally, we're going to fix the problem for good, right? Okay. So you can see this quite large nail. So it was all in there. That's really deep in there. You want to see this, what came out?
Whoa. Wait, what is that?
That's a whole piece on the side. I didn't take a lot. That was all buried underneath the...
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, so I'm just cleaning it out a little bit there. So make it
Is
look...
that really all the nails?
Yeah, that's all the nails. Just on the side. I didn't take a lot.
I know.
Because I didn't want to make it look ugly, see? You're cute, so I don't want to make it...
the white nail polish isn't even that much.
Yeah, it's not that much. That was all buried
That was
underneath.
all on the side?
Yep, that was all in there.
That's why it hurt so much.
Yeah, so it's all looking good now, okay?
Okay.
Actually, okay, so I'm just gonna wrap it up, okay? I'm gonna take the tourniquet out, and I'm gonna give you a little extra injection so you don't feel any pain.
Okay.
Because you've been through a lot last 6 months and since last Friday, right? So
Right.
it's been only a few days, but you've been through a lot, so.
What do I do about the piece of skin on top?
I cleaned it out, so you won't have to worry about that anymore. Okay, so clean that. Looks very nice, okay? Okay, I'm just gonna cover it up, okay?
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Eva, for allowing us to film you today, okay? Okay. Hi, thank you for watching my video. It is common to see a patient who gets traumatized by another doctor or healthcare practitioner who does not have a lot of experience taking care of an ingrown nail. Please seek professional help with lots of experience dealing with an ingrown nail to avoid additional trauma to an already painful experience. For more videos just like this one, tap that subscribe button and check out my next video here. Until then, be educated, gain power, encourage others today.